Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a little bit of a haulage. I know it's been a very long time. I am still on a no-buy, but Mr. Moonbaby has been cutting many of our neighbors' yards for months and months, and one of them gave him some unexpected money for his troubles, so he split it with me and I got to buy some stuff. Yay! I didn't go buy nail polish or collections because, I knew that I really didn't need anything. I have tons and tons of really cool nail polishes. So, although there are some collections out there I would really love to have. But I wanted to show you these things because they're going to be popping up in videos here very soon. So I'm just going to get started. I've been interested in the dip powders, but all the ones I've tried so far have just not really done anything for me. So after watching Chase Murray and all of his dip powder nails, I decided I really wanted to try the Kiara Sky. Now I was going to buy the whole big kit, but it's a little out of my price range and I wanted to stretch my dollar out. So what I did was I just ordered the basic kit, and it comes with the bond, the base, the Seal Protect, and the top coat. The other two in it are a, like a oil and a brush cleaner, and I just figured I didn't really need that. I could get away with not doing it. So those are all 15 mLs. I think I bought these off of Amazon. If I can find my link, I will link that down below. And then I bought a huge tub, the 2-ounce tub, of the clear on the dip powder, because I'm wanting to use this like I did over here with just my gel polish as just an overlay, something I can still put other nail art over and take off with non-acetone stuff and just keep on playing. So, and I bought that one from a different seller on Amazon. So like I said, if I can find links, I will definitely link them down below. The next purchase I had been dying to get. I wanted some new nice cuticle drill bits for my e-file. I don't use my e-file a whole lot, but I really wanted to get into this or try this Russian, what they call a Russian manicure out. And they use drill bits to do their cuticle work. So I wanted good ones. The ones I really, really wanted, I couldn't afford, and they were out of stock anyway. So I went out there. I wanted some U.S. sellers. So I ran across the TTYLusa.com, and I found these two. Now, this one is called, it's the Silver Cuticle Cleaning Bit, and it's pointy. Here, there we go. Maybe you can see that better. But it's got a really nice point on it. It's not too, coarse to where, this is made for cuticle work. This one was $9.95 just for this one bit. This other one is the ball-shaped cuticle cleaning bit, and it's ceramic, and it's just rounded. I am so excited to try these. I just can't even tell you how much. Now, the round one was a little bit more. It was $12.95. So, I was pretty stoked about that. I got me two really nice drill bits for $18 or whatever. So, like I said, I will definitely have videos coming up using these products very soon. Hopefully, I can get them recorded this weekend and share them with you all next week. So, there you have my little haul. I do have a little bitty bit of money left. And I'm going to try to get another Helmer, which will facilitate me getting my room back in order again to where I can reorganize my polishes and share my collection with you again, but in a more organized manner. I can show you different brands because that's how I separate mine. So, getting off track. So, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you've ever tried the TTYL USA drill bits and what you think of them, and if you have any suggestion on drill bits, let me know down in the comments. Not just for cuticle work, but for just, because I'm not really pleased with the ones that came with, my set. And let me know if you use Kiara Sky products. I'm very, very interested to hear from you about that. I am really looking forward to this, big time. So that is it for today. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.